Hi, my name is David Ferrafino.
And my name is Alex Janko, and this summer we interned for Pepco.
About our employer and team. What does our employer and team do? The Pepco Substation Facilities Operation Team conducts maintenance and safety checks on Pepco's electrical substations around the region to ensure power is properly distributed to thousands of homes. What's important about their work? The Substation Facilities Operation Team constantly enter the line of fire and perform maintenance checks to ensure operation of the substation are at peak performance.
What I found most interesting about the team is how everyone would communicate with one another to ensure that issues were resolved safely and properly.
Things that I found interesting about my team and employer was learning from someone that has experience in the workforce in general and giving us as interns the opportunity to prove ourselves in the actual working environment.
Project and purpose. What projects were you assigned? During our internship at Pepco, we had several projects. Our first and most important one was excellent employee training. When working for an electrical company, safety is a huge concern and must be prioritized before anything else. Through the employee training modules, we were able to see the everyday tasks an average worker had to carry out to ensure a safe work environment. What projects did you complete? We completed the Exxon employee training, the Exxon safety training, and the substation operations data entry. I personally found the substation data entry project the most interesting because it reminded me of the data entry work I did for Octo, and I was able to see what services substations needed at what times.
The most interesting project that I had was understanding the requirements for working for Petco and how necessary it is for the company and also your well being. So having all the information handed to us was very good and thorough, and it was very informative, and it taught us a lot. Challenges and takeaways. Were the challenges you faced, and how did you overcome them? One major challenge we encountered right away was not being able to visit Pecos Electrical Substation. Since we were unable to visit the substation, we had a very basic understanding of their purpose and function, despite them being vital to our job goals. Our supervisor helped us overcome this challenge by providing us with training videos that broke down what a typical substation was like, and how important safety practices are when working within them.
From my internship at Pepco, I learned the many procedures necessary to ensure safety when dealing with electricity in an electrified zone.
Something that I learned was understanding the importance of safety precautions when being in an electrical environment, and how you need to know all this is very important.
What I liked most about working at Pepco was being able to work in an industry that served everyday people.
Something that I learned that I liked about this internship experience was knowing how important this job slash company is to people and how vital it is.
Future plans. While working at Pepco, I got exposed to a wide variety of careers ranging from on site technicians to engineers while working. It was really interesting to see how a department could have such a diverse set of careers within the same company. I think in the future, I would really like to do more data input and analysis because it's most needed in the lines of work, and I thought I had a really good understanding of it. In college, I plan to study bioengineering because it integrates new technologies and engineering perspective with biological systems.
What kinds of careers did you get exposed to? I was exposed with site technicians, people that had experience, and the different types of environments they had, the different types of substations they had in the facility. What did you think you might like to do more of? I wish I was able to be in person, definitely, and be more hands on, and to see like if I want this like for my future. What do you think? Study for college? I'm most likely going to be studying something in the engineering field, but my first year in college, I'm going to be studying mechanical engineering.
Thank you for listening to our presentation.